In northern folklore, the wise mystical women of the sea were known for their understanding of the tides and the moon. Our newest pattern honors that quiet, enduring strength. This Mazu pattern by Jessica is for anyone who's ever felt pulled toward the ocean without knowing why. Running along the center panel is this stunning cable-like motif, which resembles interwoven ropes. The knot-like structure is symbolic of friendship and harmony and affection, all values really needed by those who brave the open sea. And I love the single crochets between the knots, which sort of look like rolling ripples on the ocean's surface. And this brioche edging, inspired by seagrass meadows, is such a striking feature of this design. It runs vertically along the edge of the shawl and features a stunning two-color overlay design. I also really love these fun popcorn stitches. The cool thing that I really love about this design is that you can turn it into a shawl or a scarf just by adjusting the width. And of course the length is super easy to adjust as well. All of that information is in the pattern for you. And I did want to mention that the pattern for this is super detailed and it includes both written instructions and charts with beautiful step-by-step photo tutorials. Another thing I really love about this edging design is it is a great place to pair a solid color with a speckled or a variegated color. We used our luscious hand-dyed CashSilk Sock yarn for the scarf version. Our icy color is the background aquatone and this beautiful June Pearl is the variegated strand. I love how the June Pearl pops off of that icy background. For the shawl version, we used our soft North Fingering yarn. It's a beautiful blend of fine merino wool and Pima cotton, and the colors are Snowfall, Him, and Cold Horizon. I hope you have so much fun trying out different color combinations and seeing what you love the best, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. Hop on over to expressionfiberarts.com to download the pattern and get the yarn, and while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and for text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. This amazing design features some really fun stitches like front post double crochet 2-togethers, popcorn stitches, and standing single crochets. So I'm going to show you how to work those today. To work a front post double crochet 2-together, you're going to start with a yarn over, and in the stitch indicated, you're going to go ahead and wrap your hook around the post of that stitch. Yarn over, pull the loop through, then yarn over and pull through 2. Now we're going to jump over to this next stitch and work around the post of that one. Yarn over, wrap your hook around the post of that next stitch, yarn over, pull the loop through, yarn over and pull through 2, and you should have 3 loops left on your hook at this point. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. To work a popcorn stitch for this pattern, you're going to start by working 4 double crochets into the indicated stitch. 1, and these are all worked into the same stitch. 2, I like popcorns because they provide a nice little pop of texture to your pattern. 3 and 4. Once you have your 4 double crochets worked into the same stitch, go ahead and remove your hook from the loop and hop back to the first double crochet that you worked of that little cluster there and insert your hook into the top of that double crochet. Then grab your loop and pull it through. Finish off with a chain 1. And there you go, there's your little popcorn. To work a standing single crochet, you're going to start with a slip knot and pop that onto your hook. Go ahead and grab the piece that you're working on, and you're going to insert your hook into that first stitch and go ahead and pull up a loop. When you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. And there you have it. I hope you have so much fun making your very own version of this beautiful Mazu design. Wishing you all the best, and I will see you in a week with another new design. Bye!